Hey guys, welcome back to the Queen of Down Syndrome's channel. On today's topic, the question is, how do we teach the Queen of Down Syndrome independence? And today we are focusing on laundry. Before we move forward, if you have any questions related to parenting, education, you name it, learning, leave a comment below and I'll make a video just for you. So when it comes to anything new that we teach the Queen of Down Syndrome, and specifically she's 18, of course we want her to be as independent as possible. The strategy is the same. Go through the task yourself and break it down to as many steps as possible. So let's look at laundry. Now, of course, we know you have to wash it, you have to dry it. But guess what? We don't have a washing machine. So we have to add on steps. We actually have to leave. We have to go wash it. Is there a street to cross? Put aside any extra steps. For example, you got to pay for laundry here. It's not a machine in your home. I wish it was, but it's just not the way we live. And anything that comes up, you know how you have a history timeline? Make a task timeline, but make it yourself in a way that you understand it. Because the reality is, the more the adult in that child's life knows the task, the better it is. So let's say we break down laundry into collecting, bagging, pre-treating if you spray it, actually going out, loading it into the machine, putting in the money, putting in the detergent, switching it to the dryer, whatever steps that you take. Some things get hung up and then you have to put it away. Make sure that you are familiar with the task. And then it's very simple. You go over the task with the individual, and then every single time they repeat it, you leave off the last step. So for example, the last step is actually bringing up the laundry or putting it away. So you go step by step, work it through, a little bit of prompting, as independent as your learner can, and you leave off the last step, see if they could do it. Then the next time, you leave off the last 2 steps. If they get it, great. And the next time, leave off the last 3 steps. And if they don't, well then continue where they have difficulty. Let them do as much as possible. But the key is, go through the steps yourself, break it down to the simplest steps as possible. And the next tip is routine. Have a set routine. So I asked the Queen, she wants to start learning how to do her own laundry. I said, great, you want to start doing your own laundry? When are we doing it? Okay, she decided a Tuesday or Wednesday night. Again, we don't have an in-unit washer, so we have to be a little bit flexible because who knows if the machine's going to be available. So is it going to be Tuesday or Wednesday? That's a routine. Every Tuesday or Wednesday, she gets to pick it on Sunday, and hopefully the machine will be available on one of the 2 said days. Next part of the routine is, well, where are we going to keep the detergent? The detergent and the money is going to be in the same spot every single week, which leaves me or the caregiver responsible to make sure there's always money on the card, that the detergent is always full, so she can, one less thing that she has to think about, one less thing that she has to worry about, and it's all in the same spot. And as far as laundry, we did something simple. We got her own laundry bin. She will take the laundry, stick it in her bin, and come Tuesday, she knows where her laundry is because it's all together. She knows exactly where the detergent is. She knows exactly where the money is because that's all together. And now she could start developing her routine. Take the detergent, take the money, take her laundry that's already ready, go down, and then we'll go through the process. And again, leave off the last step, leave off the second to last step, leave off the third to last step, and before you know it, she'll be doing laundry in no time. If you have any questions, or maybe you want to see a routine where I actually break it down and go through each step by step, let me know, because this channel is here for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave questions and comments below so I can answer all your questions. I have been in education running a school for 8 years. I teach the Queen of Down Syndrome. I have my own special needs daughter, so we're well versed here and we want to make your lives easier. Thank you guys for stopping by.